Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the Nano Banana firmware and your Google AI Studio account. This ensures compatibility. Once done, plug in power and a USB-C data cable and enable developer mode on the board if it isn't already enabled. Next, open Google AI Studio, sign in, and choose New Device. Follow the on-screen pairing prompts to detect the board. Make sure to allow any device permissions and select the correct USB interface so the Studio can establish a stable link. You now deploy the model to the Nano Banana. Start by selecting or uploading a model file. Prefer TensorFlow Lite or an optimized format for edge inference so performance stays smooth. Once uploaded, configure runtime options such as CPU versus GPU acceleration, memory limits, and batch size to match your workload. After that, map inputs and outputs, define preprocessing like resizing or normalization, and run a few test inferences. If latency is high, reduce input resolution or enable hardware. You finish by validating the deployment and setting up monitoring. Run a validation suite to confirm accuracy, and watch CPU, memory, and latency metrics in Google AI Studio so you can spot bottlenecks. Once satisfied, save the configuration and enable remote logging or over-the-air updates to streamline future iterations. If something goes wrong, roll back to the previous model version, inspect serial and studio logs, and verify drivers and firmware are current. This single troubleshooting step resolves most deployment failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.